Picture this, you with the body you've always dreamed of. Imagine every detail. Feels amazing, right? But what if I told you that achieving your dream body is just like nailing a major project at work? Stay with me because I'm going to show you how treating your fitness journey like a serious project can get you insane results. Step 1. Measure and track progress. The first step in any successful project is measurement. Forget about the scale alone. It's time to get detailed. Use body fat calculations, measurements, and photos. The scale can be misleading because it doesn't differentiate between muscle and fat. By tracking your body fat percentage, you'll get a clearer picture of your progress. Aim to see those numbers go down every month. Step 2. Commit to your workouts. This is where the magic happens, but only if you take it seriously. Decide how many times a week you will work out and what kind of workouts you'll do. For example, you might commit to working out 5 times a week with a mix of strength training on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and cardio on Tuesday and Thursday. Track everything. Write down your sets, reps, and the weights you use. Keep a log of how many times you went to the gym each week. This way, you can see your progress over time and make adjustments as needed. Treat every workout like an important meeting. Don't miss it. Step 3. Nutrition and supplements. Nutrition is non-negotiable. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. It needs the right fuel to function optimally. Focus on whole foods, balance your macros, and stay hydrated. Meal prepping can be a game changer, ensuring you always have healthy options available. When your nutrition is on point, you'll see those body fat numbers drop even faster. To keep track of your nutrition, consider counting calories and macros using an app. This helps you see exactly what you're putting into your body and ensures you're meeting your nutritional goals. Also, consider talking to a doctor or nutritionist about supplements. Sometimes, your diet alone might not be enough to meet all your nutritional needs. Supplements can make a significant difference, but it's important to get professional advice to ensure you're taking what's best for your body. Don't forget about your internal health. Regular blood work can reveal deficiencies in vitamins, minerals, and hormones that might be hindering your progress. Addressing these can make a huge difference in how you feel and perform. Keeping an eye on your internal health ensures you're running at full capacity. Step 5. Rest and recovery. Remember, rest and recovery are just as important as workouts and nutrition. Your body needs time to repair and grow stronger. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, managing stress, and incorporating rest days into your routine. Proper recovery helps you stay consistent and avoid burnout. To track your rest, use a sleep monitor app. This can give you insights into your sleep quality and help you make adjustments to improve your recovery. Better sleep means better performance and results. Now that you've treated your fitness journey like a project, it's time to sit down and analyze all the numbers. Look at how many workouts you completed, your nutritional intake, your sleep quality, and how these affected your body fat percentage. If you're not seeing the results you want, make adjustments to your plan. Maybe tweak your diet, change your workout routine, or check in with your doctor for advice. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. You've got this! If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below with your fitness goals. Let's crush them together!